Hello and welcome. Today we'll be learning how to use scratch.mit.edu in order to create an Asteroids style game. We're going to start off by getting signed into our accounts. So you come in here, click on sign in, put in your username. In my case, mine is the band director. And then put in your password. And we're off. Up here is create in the upper left hand corner. And this is how we'll get started on our new project. Click create. And in here, we now have our workspace. We have our program. We have our sprites, our backdrops. We have our code and our categories for different codes, plus costumes, our editor here for that, as well as our sounds, the ability to upload sounds there, upload sprites here, upload backdrops here, upload costumes here, and then our code. All right, let's name our game. I'm just going to call mine Asteroids, and I'm going to hit the share button for mine, which makes it public. And if you're one of my students, it'll turn it in. Go ahead and click Add to Studio, and after you click Add to Studio, you can select our Asteroids Studio for our class if you're in my class. All right. Once you're done here, don't forget this is where we can put in instructions later. You can put in notes and credits if you are going to attribute anybody for anything that you borrow, audio samples, sprites, code, things like that. Otherwise, we can go see and signed. Now let's get started.